Okay, so hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this vlog, my brother will be joining us. So I'm in my native and we are gonna explore some hidden spot. So let me show you guys. Okay, so it's here. Okay, so this is a little falls which we found by the way. Quite peaceful here. Hi. Okay, he's quite shy type. Let me show you guys around. The water comes from this way and it comes all the way here. From here, if you see, this is how it looks like. So it's quite a good place to hang around. I just don't know whether you guys have seen this, but let me show you. You guys see here there are this small shells which we found by under the coconut tree. So it naturally forms up in here. That's what my grandma told me. I just don't know whether it forms here by itself or somebody put it here, but I don't know. But it's just found here, and during childhood days we play with these a lot. And let me show you another thing. So by this side we have all these turmeric plants over here and Sadurvendan over here. Hi Philip.
Hi, my name is Sadurvendan.
Okay, good. Guys, if you see here, these little leaves. This is the onion plant. So this is the onion plant which is found near this turmeric field. So they grew this plant also in the same field. They grow turmeric and also this onion in the same place. Oh my god. போலாம். ஏய் வெயிட் பண்றா. தண்ணியா? Small water tank. I don't know what's it for. So we came from that side to here where we are standing. So yeah. அங்க என்ன இருக்கு? அம்மாடி. So yeah. This is a banana which is not ripened yet. And actually we thought of going to a well over there, but I think there is no well. Anga kinar illa thane. Okay, so it seems like there's no well there. So again we'll be going back from where we came. Okay, so we are gonna be crossing from here to there and we have to go there. Let's go. கட்டை இல்லையாடா, உடஞ்சிராதா? எனக்கு பயமா இருக்கு. ஓகே, எடுத்துட்டு தான் இருக்கு. அது பாட்டுக்கு ஓடிட்டு இருக்கணும், நம்ம பாட்டுக்கு போவோம். ஓகே, so we came here. We came from that place. We came from there to here. And my little brother was so kind. He is carrying my shawl. Okay, come. இந்த பக்கம் வரப்பு இல்ல எப்படிடா போவ? மாடி. சதுரு வெயிட் பண்ணுடா. எப்படிடா வருது? அது மஞ்சள மிதிச்சிட்டா அப்புறம். இது என்னது? வாழைத்தண்டா? இங்க வா. இது என்னது?
வாழைத்தண்டு முளைக்குது.
வாழை மரம் முளைக்குதா? அட்டைப்பூச்சி, ட்ரெயின் பூச்சி. You know what's the name of that? If you know, please let me know. There. Amma. Oh my god, the view. Nice. கால் ரொம்ப நேரம் ஈரமானதுனால வலிக்குது. செப்பல் ஈரமா இருக்குல்ல, அந்த சைடே போயிருக்கலாம்டா டே. Okay, do you have friends?
Yeah.
How many?
Three.
3 friends. 3 or 3?
3.
Okay. So what are their names?
Ritik, Rohit, Sabris.
Okay, great. So the reason why I'm asking this is, guys, because I grew up in my native and I had so many friends. Like 30 of us would play in a same place every night during the annual leave. That time, it was great. Okay, okay. It was quite a great time and I enjoyed it so much. That's why I just thought of doing this video. Like, every one of us have some nostalgic childhood memories, and if you have those childhood friends till now, you're truly blessed. Now I have like one or two few friends over here, but we are not like so close as before. But still, every time I visit here, it brings the memory of good old days. So that's the point of this whole video. We would go to the rivers and the well and fields like this, and we'll be roaming around there, and it will be so awesome. I mean, like, we will literally do nothing, but that's what makes it good and amazing. Who would go to play cricket like every single day after 20s? Weekly once, if you're going out and hang with your friends, that's good. But if you guys remember, during childhood, we will be playing all day long, every single day, repeatedly. But no one of us will get bored. Maybe because it's the age, I guess. Naya. Ava Sanjing. Amadi. Fast Ava. ஏண்டா போடா பாம்புக்கு எது இருக்குமா டே முடியலடா டே எனக்கு டைம் ஆச்சு 5:15 ஆச்சு டக்குன்னு வீட்டுக்கு போ அதுக்கு என்ன விட்டுட்டு போயிடாதடா அம்மாடி yeah guys, let me show you the well. Finally we are here in this way. ஆமாண்ணா ஆமான்னு சொல்லு. We came out of the field. We're on the way to our home. Let me show you guys the well we played once as children when we are young. Show you something. This plant. So it's like a bouquet decoration, but if you see, when I was young, I loved this plant. But my aunt told that this is poisonous as hell. Don't touch this plant if you see that. I don't know whether it's poisonous or not, but that's what they said to me. The well we used to play. So that's the end of this video, and until next time, hasta la vista from Ashvita. Bye. Bye.
Bye.